So, folks, Dominoes Seven here. You know, well. So much stuff going on with me. After losing my mama, got into argument with my best friend and stuff like that. Hmm. Yeah, but that was kind of an unexpected argument. Uh, I suppose I hurt her feelings and made her cry. Once again. You know, I mean, she ain't told me that she was going through something. It's like she done kept a secret from my best friend. Okay. I mean, I don't understand this. I understand what was up though, but on the serious side, she done what happened was she done not told me nothing. A whole year. I understand she was depressed and all that. Goddamn, I should have did this shit on a recording instead of a fucking Facebook Live, huh? Because well, anyway, I'm doing a Facebook Live because I know she'll probably see this though, After losing my best friend, losing my mom, and now me and my best friend got an argument, I just she lives so far away in fucking Houston and stuff like that. It hurts me. I don't have a fucking girlfriend, Maybe maybe that's why I'm acting out and lashing out towards her, cause I'm single, I don't know. Okay, so she got a boyfriend, and I don't like it. To be honest with you, I know what some people gonna say, Hmm. Oh, so somebody. Oh well. I don't know what that is, but anyway. Well, this is going on YouTube anyway. I don't mind. I don't mean to hurt people's feelings. I meant to say. I don't mean to hurt people's feelings. But when you hurt my feelings by ignoring me and saying we best friends and all that, and you don't come see me, you don't call me and all that. Hmm. That really hurts. That definitely hurts. How anybody expect me to cope with that? So so on the serious side though, she hung the phone up on me though. So hey, that's life. I ain't mean to hurt her feelings like that. So on the serious side, I'm not gonna say what the fuck I'm going to say. Hmm. So anyway, and then her other best friend, I ain't gonna mention her name, cursed me out on Facebook when I was telling Diaco, you don't come see me and all that, and guess what? She was like, who the f are you and all that, And guess what? She didn't even defend me. I forgot to tell her that. I forgot to tell her that. She didn't even defend me. Hmm. She didn't even defend me at all. So uh uh I didn't argue with on Facebook and stuff like that. Okay. So maybe you know what? My friend told me she didn't know she was coming to New Orleans. Maybe she really didn't know, you know. Well, that's life, you know. After losing my mama, now I'm close to losing my best friend. You know, I love my best friend. I just don't want her to leave me out. When I feel left out and stuff like that, I get pissed off. I didn't mean to hurt her fucking feelings. Okay, I really didn't. So all I wanted to do was just spend time with my friend. That that's all the fuck I want is to spend time with my best friend. You know. Now that she have a boyfriend, I feel like I can't do it. I feel like I can't do it. Hmm. I don't understand though. Why won't somebody be considered to for her and have her to come see me? That's probably up, you know, by the spillway. Hmm. I don't understand. I wish it would have been Metairie or something, you know. But it was across the river the last time they was here. I could have went. Hmm, I don't understand, yo. I definitely don't fucking understand. I wanted to spend time with my best friend. That's all the fuck I wanted to do, you know. Haven't seen her, and of course I'm gonna be mad, you know. Of course I'm upset, you know. I feel like I can't spend time with my best friend, you know. I lost my mama and stuff like that, and now I feel like I can't spend time with my best friend because of that, you know. I mean, not now. It's like I feel her pain. Now I'm about to cry, you know. Hmm. I'm about to fucking cry, you know. Hmm. I mean, well, that's fucking life, though. Hmm. So, I guess that's it. Fuck it. But I'm not gonna but I'm not gonna say fuck her because I ain't gonna never say that. You know. I mean fuck the situation. You know. I might as well spend time with my best friend. You know. Hmm. I don't mean to broadcast that shit out though. You know. Hmm. I do love my best friend. You know. But I just don't like to be ignored. You know. I mean, like they say, if you love me, I'm your best friend and all that. You know, it ain't good to ignore best friends. You know, I mean, I felt like she was ignoring me. You know, I felt like she didn't want to be bothered with me. You know, that's what I felt. You know, hmm. And it's the second time. The second time I done got mad at her for not telling me that. You know. And I'm supposed to be her best friend, you know. Hmm. But you know, well, fuck it, you know. So I already know God gonna send me somebody, you know. I believe that, to be honest with you though. But hmm. Oh well, that's it. I might as well end this live footage. You heard me? All right. Bye.